Hi everyone, this is Jan. Whenever we leave on a trip, I always ask my family, what would you like me to bring back for you? Because sometimes we bring back stuff and they're not happy with it. So now I get a list. My son-in-law wanted a specific hanging coconut thing that was a bird. And he told me where the shop was that he saw it in, and I should get it. Well, they had two different ones, and guess what? Yeah, I bought the wrong one. And I said, well, don't worry about it. I know we'll be back there again, assuming we're still alive for the next trip, and I'll get you that one. And then you'll have two coconut birds hanging on your front porch. Daughter asked us to bring her Christmas ornaments. So every island that she had already been to, we picked up a Christmas ornament for her. I think she liked our selections, and if she doesn't, too bad. Granddaughter wanted a t-shirt that said, I love Aruba, which I don't know why, because she hasn't been to Aruba, and also one from Cozumel. Well, we couldn't find one in Aruba because she wanted it specifically to say it on the back, not the front of the t-shirt. But we did get her one from Cozumel. Actually, we got her two from Cozumel. One was a turtle and one was a gecko. I think she liked the turtle best. And grandson wanted hot sauce. So every island we went to, we would buy the hottest sauce they had. And you know what? He told us they weren't hot at all. It was like, well, they told us it was hot. He says, no, they had nice flavor, but they weren't real hot. Thanks for watching. See y'all later.